Hello everyone, my name is Shayla and I'm your real estate agent in Istanbul. I am here to present you another opportunity of investment and living. We are here in Umraniye to promote you Avrupa Konutları Yamanevler. This project has 3 stages. First 2 stages are residential and the third stage includes offices and big shopping mall with big squares. Here in this project we have 1,672 apartments, which are very huge. Also, we have 4 types of flats like 1+1, 2+1, 3+1 and 4+1. All flats have balconies. What's more, in addition to this, we have deck flats which are located on artificial ponds. The most important to invest in Avrupa Konutları Yamanevler is its location. We are located very close to 2 shopping malls, hospital and university. Also, we are between 2 metro stations, which is very important for transportation. Also, we are in 30 minutes away from Sabiha Gökçen International Airport, Şişli, Taksim, Beşiktaş and Levent. Let's check our sample apartment, which is 135 meter squares. Here we have living room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Also, let me show you our smart home system, which has different options, like for example, lighting, also air conditioner system. And of course, let me firstly show you our huge garderobe. As you can see, it's very comfortable for using. You can put everything you have. Let's go to our living room, which is 26 meter squares. And here, as you can see, we also have balcony, which is 8 meter squares. You know, it's really cozy and wide. Here you can relax with your family and friends. So let's continue. Now we came to our kitchen, which is 11 meter squares. As you can see, this is dishwasher. Our microwave. This is our oven. Also ancastre set. And all of them are included. So let's continue with other rooms. Look at this pretty children room. And also we have very useful laundry. Also first bathroom. One more very useful and big wardrobe. And let's go to our master bedroom. As you can see, it's really wide and very comfortable. So, also here we have master bathroom. It's also very big and useful. We are an international real estate company that provides you with high quality services. You can always contact with us for it. And we were very happy to present you this project. Would you like to plan your future with us?